MedDream DICOM Viewer API examples. Managing the viewer from client's management system side. Possibility to manage MedDream from external system side. This is Hospital Information System page sample. User can open the studies for viewing. The study is opened in the viewer. User also can add the second study to the viewer. The second study is added for viewing. Possibility to replace open studies with other study. Choose the study from the list and press Replace button. Previously opened studies were replaced in MedDream Viewer. To upload studies, which were selected from Information System, press Open Studies button. The studies were added to MedDream for viewing. User can also replace open studies, preload or close studies in the viewer. There is a possibility to change layouts. Layout was changed to 3-on-3. Possibility to export instances. Active ones or container 2-to-1 instance. The instances were exported to JPG files. The user can print them, etc. Possibility to close all studies at once. All studies were closed in the viewer.